Hello, this is Andrew Van Til from Missing Remote. We have a Gigabyte Brix Pro on the desk today, and I wanted to demonstrate how loud it gets when we turn it on or when we start to spin up the CPU. As we can see, nothing's going on here, but I have Prime 95 ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and kick that off. You can see the CPU spin up, and then I'm going to be quiet for a second, focus in on the bricks so you can kind of hear how loud it is and how it ramps up. And it'll continue to get a little louder and louder as the temperature of the CPU rises. And it's not to say that it's a bad little PC, it's actually pretty cool. It's just that the fan noise on the thing is quite a bit louder than I would have liked.